Kaya naman, let's all welcome our birthday celebrant, Samantha! Jolly birthday! Magbigay ng bansa na nasa loob ng Asia. Asia. Okay. Ready? Go. Indonesia. Thailand. India. Vietnam. Philippines. Singapore. Japan. Congo. Cambodia. China. South Korea. North Korea. Japan, nasabi na. Japan? Hindi pa pala, sorry. Japan. Nasabi na Japan. Japan, oh, nasabi na. Bansa.
Happy birthday, Sam. Ano lang, kasi lately lang tayo nagkakilala. So,
Totoo naman
sana mag-grow ka pa, and mag-mature.
Palakpakan po natin, Holly B! Anta! Okay. One.
Galingan mo, Bea. Go, B. Huwag kang bida-bida, Bea.
Jollibee naman! Idol? Bida! Ikembat mo, Jollibee! Woo! Go, Jollibee, go! Let's give it a push, Jollibee! Happy birthday! At syempre kasabayan sa Vietnam! To you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! At syempre yung mas mabilis naman! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay, now Miss Samantha, close your eyes and make a wish. And you may now blow your birthday candles.
Happy birthday.
You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, 3. 3 wishes for Sam. Para sa iyong first wish, kada po si Sam ay mas maging hindi, mas lalong hindi nagbe-birthday sa kabila. Ate Jollibee, para sa iyong second wish, sana daw po si Miss Sam ay mas maging maganda, sexy, flawless. Yan. Katulad ni Mami. Ay, palakpakan po natin si Jollibee. Okay, Jollibee, para sa iyong last wish. Sana daw po si Miss Sam ay mas maging always be happy and joy like the one and only Jollibee! Yan, palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee. And then, syempre, nakakalungkot man pong isipin, ngunit kailangan na po magpaalam ni Jollibee